Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. We're really glad you're here. We hope you'll enjoy the content and consider hitting that red subscribe button. We're back with an easy stovetop chicken dish that incorporates both asparagus and mushrooms. Before I got started on the chicken dish, I wanted to pair it with some rice, so I brought some water to a boil, added some salt and some of this Rice Select blend rice, and got that going on the stove as well. I started prepping all the vegetables. The first thing I did was wash some asparagus and snap off the woody ends from each stalk. I cleaned up some baby bella mushrooms and sliced those. You'll also notice some diced onion. That is my addition to this recipe, and I will leave a link to the recipe that I used in the description box below. I chopped up one really large chicken breast into some really small pieces. I heated up my largest stainless steel skillet. This is a 12-inch. Added both some olive oil and some butter. And started sauteing the chicken pieces. I seasoned them with some Mrs. Dash chicken season, some onion and garlic powder, and then some kosher salt and black pepper, and brown them on both sides. This is based loosely on a recipe from All Recipes, and I'll leave a link to that. Once the chicken pieces were browned, I removed them to a separate plate and kept all the juices and cooking liquids. To that, I added the chopped onion and the chopped up pieces of asparagus and sauteed those. The asparagus and onions take longer to cook. When they were about halfway done, I added the sliced mushrooms, which don't take as long. And then I seasoned everything pretty well with salt and pepper, and I added some minced garlic towards the end. When the vegetables were sauteed, I removed them to the same plate and then left all the juices to build a very light pan sauce. I added some chicken broth and some lemon juice, and then some basil and oregano, and a little bit of parsley and thyme. Use fresh if you have them. I just used all dried spices. And I cooked the pan sauce and brought it over about medium heat to a good simmer, and then seasoned it well with salt and pepper. And then added everything back, the vegetables and the cooked chicken, and tossed it all in the sauce. This was a new recipe for us, but it was very good, and I would certainly make it again. I think the addition of the asparagus and the mushrooms made it a little bit healthier. It was a very light and flavorful dish. Probably if you use the white wine, it would have even more flavor. I think most any grain that you could pair with it would work. And of course, if you've watched here before, you know that we do a lot of salads on the side. Probably any other vegetable or grain or potato would work as a side dish for this, or on its own. I appreciated the fact that this all came together in one big skillet. It made cleanup a little bit easier, and it was light and delicious. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Take care, have a wonderful and truly blessed day.